Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you a 2010 John Deere 17D compact excavator with the expandable tracks. Very hard to find little machine here. Just 416 hours on it, fellas. Comes with a quick coupler front bucket. Has the factory John Deere hydraulic thumb on it. Pattern changer. This unit's in very nice shape other than the paint scratched up here and there, but a really good running and working unit. We're going to go ahead and start right back here at the engine compartment. We'll take it completely around, give you a 360-degree view. We'll start and run the machine for you so everything works. Right here under the engine compartment, this will be powered by a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. It's been through our shop. We've serviced it like we always do with our used equipment. The good stuff that we put on the internet. Again, has been run through the shop, serviced, and is ready to go to work. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. And again, this is a John Deere 17D zero tail swing ZTS mini excavator. The hood shuts just the way it's supposed to right there. Rear counterweight's in nice shape, little dinge air in the hood. We'll open up the side panel here for you. Simply opens up by opening up the fuel door. Opening up the safety latch. Then you unlock the other side panel lock. And in here you'll find your battery, hydraulic tank, fuel tanks here, hydraulic fill is here. Really nice and clean original machine. No abnormal oil leaks, anything like that. This was not a rental machine like a lot of these you'll find. Machine was a private owner. Man was doing some downsizing and changed what he was doing, and that's how we ended up with the machine. Right up here at the dash, you can see 416 hours. All gauges work. Headlights work. Tracks are both Bridgestone, both matched 85%. Rollers, idlers, everything is 95%, just like it should be on a 416-hour machine. Front dozer blade has the expandable wings, which you can simply just pull a pin right here. Wing will fold in to narrow yourself up, and they'll just fold in, or you can swing them out as we have it here. I will show you with it expanded in and out. Articulate boom. Paint's still in good condition. It cleaned up good. It's got some weathering on the paint, but everything else is good. Does have the Bobcat factory hydraulic thumb. Will come with a John Deere hydraulic thumb and John Deere quick attach bucket. Very, very simple here on the bucket. You take one bolt loose, the wedge comes out, and it'll allow you to interchange with other 17 attachments such as hammers and grapples and other buckets. Of course, obviously has the auxiliary hydraulics to run the hydraulic thumb. This auxiliary hydraulic line bracket here was bumped one time and repaired. Just want to point that out. Paint on this side skin up a little wee bit there, but other than that, it's an all original machine. Over here at the operator station, grab the key here again. In this panel, you will have your pattern changer for backhoe or cat style control, and in here you'll have just your fuse panel and service wires. This will be your lever here for your expandable tracks. You do have a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug here for auxiliary power, and again, standard John Deere control or Caterpillar control. I'm going to go ahead and fire the machine up. We'll put it through all its paces, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. guys, I hope you can see there from the video, this little John Deere 17D is a real pleasure to run. Fun little machine, hard to find in nice condition. I like stuff like this. It's clean, it's straight, there's that ding in the hood. And yes, it's got some paint scrapes, but a new machine like this is pushing 38, 39,000. Hard to find, really a good little workhorse machine. Plumber guy, small contractor, landscaper. If you're setting stones in backyards and you need to get through somewhere that it's narrow, here's the machine for you. Any questions, we can easily ship one of these. Let us know. We'd be glad to get you a freight quote. You want to come by and see it yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. We have nothing to hide. We can be easily reached at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. And as always, happy eBay.